In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel ChatGPT subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm whether you even need to cancel in the first place. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ChatGPT. This is just the quickest way to get to the official site. When the results appear, make sure you choose the legitimate ChatGPT website. Look for the secure padlock in the address bar and the familiar branding to avoid phishing pages that might look similar. Once you're on the official site, click Sign In. Log in with the same account you used when you set up your subscription. If you have multiple accounts, this is important. Cancellations only apply to the account you're currently signed into. After you've signed in, locate your profile icon. Depending on your device and interface version, you'll usually see it in the bottom left corner on desktop, or sometimes in the top right corner. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. From there, go into Settings. Inside Settings, look for either Account or Subscription. The exact label can vary, but both lead you to the same place, the area where your plan details live. If you're not seeing either option, try expanding the menu or briefly refreshing the page to reload the settings panel. On the plan page, find the Manage button next to your current plan. Click Manage, and you should see the option to cancel your subscription. If you're on a paid plan, the system will guide you through a short confirmation flow. Read any notes about billing carefully. Cancellations typically stop future charges, and your access usually continues until the end of your current billing period. Once confirmed, you'll receive a cancellation confirmation on screen, and in many cases, an email receipt for your records. If, instead, you're on the free version, you may see a message like, "No payment methods found." If that appears, it simply means there's no active paid subscription on this account, so there's nothing to cancel and no further action is required. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the Manage button isn't visible, verify you're logged into the correct account and try a quick refresh. If your settings panel doesn't load, closing and reopening your browser can help. And remember, you can always return to the same settings area later to verify that your plan is no longer active. That's it. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently manage your ChatGPT subscription.